To me, chai means that time of the day which I spend with my family to chit chat. Sometimes, even if I don't feel like having tea, I still go ahead and have it just because I like the whole experience of all of us sitting together and talking. The quantity of whole spices that we put in our tea totally depends on the quality of these spices and also on how strong or fresh they are. For around 2 cups of tea, I prefer adding 2 of each, as in 2 cloves, 2 pieces of cardamom, 2 peppercorns, and a small piece of cinnamon. I guess that works for me. You can experiment and find out what works for you. A chai break not only allows us to break from the monotony but also refreshes our minds. During winter months, it warms up our bodies, and for those who catch cold, a good cup of masala chai with some ginger in it is a very normal thing recommended by all. Typically, chai made in the north of India mostly requires a lot of milk and less of water. Also, boiling that milk multiple times along with the brewed tea is an important step. But then again, it all depends on your preference. You can add more water and less milk. You can choose to not boil it so much. It's all your choice. Every such change will yield a different resulting taste. There are no rules here.